Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I have come up with the topic. This is a regular life issue, that is daily life issue instead I should say, is how to stay motivated, how to keep yourself motivated through your regular life or through your tasks, because it becomes very difficult to stay motivated with the tasks that you really feel you want to do, but it's not that important, so you keep on delaying or feel like let it be, let's do it, we'll do it some other day or in the next week or from tomorrow I'll start, and then after today you will think after tomorrow, that tomorrow again tomorrow. So this way what happens is tomorrow never comes and you never get the time to start your work, and thus you feel lazy, and you feel at times when you see that particular thing others are doing and you feel that I could not do this, why, what happened, what's the problem, okay, let's do it. You will get charged and again you will get into the same old person, that you feel lazy and you feel not to start. So what are the daily dose that would help to keep the motivation alive? So that is why how to keep motivated in some tasks, in this kind of sudden tasks. If you talk about hobbies, exercises, well, I have a video about this. So today I'll be guiding about the motivation dose. What are the dose that you should feed yourself so that you stay motivated or you have that urge to do that task? Is that we always think that we will do and we never start because of some fear that how we are going to start, or it's not going to be perfect, or maybe next time we will gather some information and we will start the work and then we'll do it in a full-fledged attitude. So with this attitude, what happens, we never cannot do this, and never the time comes we are the perfect one. It's even after 2-3 years you also continue that work, you don't reach any perfection, because there's no limit to perfection. It keeps on extending as we grow, as we keep growing through the time. So the basic dose to motivation, the basic dose to keep oneself motivated with any kind of task is, first of all, find the task why you want to do. Try to practice it in the initial phase, that what things you're good at. Try to practice it regularly. Then you start to think that what brings interest in that, why you are interested in that, or something interesting you try to find in that would keep you motivated, that would keep you like active, keep going with that task, that would help you to go with that task every day. Try to set a time, a little time, that is maybe it's for 10 minutes or 20 minutes or 15 minutes, and then continue it every day. As you do it, you have to be disciplined, you have to be a little bit strict with yourself. If you continue it for a week or two, and then you will find you will have that urgency to perform that task, do that activity, because slowly you will start to enjoy that task, and you need a little bit push to yourself. You need to push yourself to start that task and to do that task, because you are the one, you are fearing to start it, and you're fearing that you are not able to do it and things are not going to be right. Let it be, whatever comes. If you do some painting, try to get a page, try to get your brushes and color, and start to paint anything you like, because this is the first step that people fail to take, and they keep on thinking that my paint is going to waste, or my time is going to waste, or it's a completely wastage of energy. So don't think so much. Try to invest your time, energy, because this doesn't cost money, only little bit money to buy the accessories of paints that you need to do that. So this is just an example for painting. You can do anything, whatever your hobby or whatever you like or whatever you need to do in life activities, your studies, It could be gym, it could be sports, it could be your daily studies, it could be book reading, anything. It could be a lesson for cooking, anything you can do. Just start it, and then you see the magic as you keep on being disciplined with it for few months or few days. If you start with, of course, you will start to get that interest in it, you will start to enjoy it, because one, you have, first of all, you have to push yourself. This push that you put on yourself, the pressure, little bit pressure, would give you immense energy, because first your brain need to train. This is the timer, training your brain and body to do that certain activity. Your mind and heart, everything's trying to get information with that, with the process, to learn about it, to learn more about it, so that it can enjoy in the future. So this is how one has to get motivated through this. Try to see good paintings, try to put on paintings. If you are a painter, if you want to be a painter, of course, try to put references on your room, hang paintings on the wall, so that you can see it every day and you can practice on. The similar goes with other things. Try to try to find references, things you have to explore yourself, that would motivate you, keep yourself motivating. So here you have to do a lot of research for your own self, because no one is able to get into your life and train you, if unless you hire some personal trainer or personal your to nurture some person. So of course you have to build yourself, you have to build that motivation within yourself, so that you can keep going, you can continue that work. And once you go with that work for a few months, of course you're going to enjoy that. You will start, your brain will try to get new motivation ideas, new motivating ideas, then from here and there, and you will continue with it. And thus a person becomes addicted with the passion. This is the process, how the person becomes addicted with the person. And I hope, friends, this was helpful to you, because these are the process to keep yourself motivated with the daily dose techniques. These are the daily dose techniques that would help you to stay motivated in life every day. So thank you, friends. Bye bye, love you all.